Good morning, guys. Welcome to my new channel. Today is the day that we're picking up the F150, so I figured I'd start vlogging about that. I'm going to also be vlogging about other things in this channel, mainly about cars. So this is one of my track cars here. It's a Civic. But yeah, it's case swapped. But today is about the truck. I've been waiting nearly about a month, just getting some parts sorted out and getting them installed. You guys can see down here, I purchased some used amp running boards. I got them for half the price, so pretty happy about that. Those suckers are expensive, but anything to do with cars and trucks are gonna cost you all your money, pretty much. But anyways, I figured I'd do an introduction to my new channel. Yeah, it's gonna be about the truck primarily because I didn't see too much content, especially on the new 18. I got an 18 F150. So yeah, it's gonna be lifted, has some tires and rims. So yeah, you guys will see that in a second, but figure I put some content out there about that and about my track cars, and some of my buddies have some pretty cool cars too, so you definitely want to check it out. Subscribe if you guys have any questions or comments. I know that YouTube is full of crazy people that comment crazy things, so go ahead, I don't mind. I'll see you guys at the dealership. Alright guys, it's been a couple days since I picked it up. I did do a little quick video at the dealership, but I didn't have my gimbal with me, so the video was really shaky. So I'm just going to show you guys the truck now. So I ended up getting 20 by 10 rims. They're fuel beast 20 by 10, and the tire I ended up going with is a Toyo Open Country RT. Basically it's in between an AT and MT. It's definitely designed more to be on the road. 7-inch lift. It's ready lift kit. Still gotta get the tonneau cover before it's gonna put that on. But I want to show you guys. They're a little bit dirty, but we got them powder coated black, just because I hate chrome. It's a Roush catback. I just got the tips black. Everything else is still chrome underneath, or whatever it is underneath. But yeah, so this is the new truck. It's gonna be my new daily. Show you guys what a negative 18 offset looks like. You can see how much it pokes out. Originally I was gonna go 20 by 12 with a negative 44 offset, but I'm kind of glad I didn't, because this is way more stance than I want. Oh, it's just enough, I mean. What do you think? What do you think?
That's sick.
Looks good?
Oh yeah. I like the color of the wheels.
Yeah.
That's clean look.
Alright guys, I didn't close out the video, so I'm going to do that now. Hood's gone. I sold the carbon fiber hood. I didn't really like the way it looked. I mean, the look of it was fine. It's just it didn't really go with my car too well. So I'm going to go hoodless, or I might put my stock hood back on. I did get that freshly painted too, so we'll see which one I like better. But probably not going to be driving it a ton this year. But you guys can see that my driveway is pretty stuffed. I'm just actually about to take off, but yeah, I just wanted to say comment, subscribe if you guys want to see more content. I'm obviously going to put a lot more content about the truck. That was just kind of like an intro. But yeah, let's fire her up. Let's get over here instead. my neighbors absolutely probably hate me, but here we go. Anyways, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next episode. Thanks for watching, guys.